Well, what do we do now? Well, Buzz is dead. Should we celebrate? Yeah, we should. Hooray! Hey, I'm still alive, you know. Oh, Buzz, did you hear that? Yeah, just about all of it. Oh, come on, just go away and don't tell anybody about this. Okay, excluded as always.